The passengers who had left Rome had to stop until dawn at the small station of Fabriano in order to continue their journey by the small, old-fashioned local, joining the main line with Sulmona. Inside the stuffy and smoky second-class carriage were the other 5 people who had already stayed for a night and a bulky woman with his tiny, thin, and weak husband. The husband thanked the passengers who had helped him and his wife, especially when they made room for her. There was silence all around, everybody nodding as if to approve. The fat man continued talking. The fat man shook his lightly phone coat as if to show it. His livid lip over his missing teeth was trembling. His eyes were watery and motionless, and soon after, he ended up with a shrill laugh that might as well have been a sob. For some little time, he tried to answer, but words failed him. He looked and looked at her, almost as if only then, at that silly, incongruous question, he had suddenly realized at last that his son was really dead, gone forever. His face contracted, became horribly distorted, then he snatched in haste a handkerchief from his pocket, and to the amazement of everyone, broke into harrowing, heart-rending, uncontrollable sobs.
Created using Powtoon.